So in our previous session, we have performed the database operations using Mongoose. Let's have a quick recap. We have imported the Mongoose by using the require, created or set up a connection with the MongoDB using the MongoDB connection string. This is the default port for MongoDB. Then we have created the model for the database. So this is the model. It means that there will be an employee model which will have the first name, gender and salary as the fields within the employees collection. And since MongoDB has the concept of pluralizing the collection, so whenever you will save, it will actually pluralize the collection name. So employee will be saved as employees collection within MongoDB. Now, if you look at, we have put some sample data within the employee, and we have applied emp.save to save data to the MongoDB, and we have used then and catch. So now then promise, we have seen the result and we have printed the result, but we haven't seen the catch promise. So let's try to work with it. Now let's purposely make something wrong with the input and rerun the application and see what happens. So as soon as we run the application, it shows an error message, and that is employee validation failed. What is the reason? The employee data, that is salary, is declared of type number, and here what you have supplied to it is a string. So you cannot store a string within the salary model which is of type number. So that's why this particular warning or error appears. And while saving the employee, instead of the then promise, catch promise gets activated and it displays the error section. This error message is quite a big JSON. That's why it you will see a quite huge error message in the result section, a bunch of JSON information. So stay tuned for more upcoming session. Thanks.